So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and connect your Apple ID to your iPhone or to your App Store. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and click onto your settings application of your iPhone. So you're coming into this page. And then what you want to do is you want to go and tap on your name that's in the top. So go and tap on your name right up here. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll over until you find this option that says Media and Purchases. So go ahead and tap on here, Media and Purchases, and then you want to go and click on this little option that says something like either Sign In. So there should be a Sign In button that's right here. Now, if you already have been signed in, then you should be able to see Sign Out here. But if you have not signed in yet, you need to click on Sign In, which is right here. And that will basically allow you to go through and basically sign into your Apple ID. Now, what you want to do after is it's going to allow you to just type in your passcode and your username and your Apple ID, and then that's it. So then when you're done with that, what you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over into your Apple App Store. So when you come inside of your App Store, you'll see this page come up. Now you want to go ahead and download an application. It can really be anyone. So let's say I want to download Google Gemini or whatever, right? Well, what you can do is you can click download or get, and then it's going to start downloading this application. If you click install, it might ask you for your password one more time, but after that, it won't really ask you for your password again. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.